How to fix copy-paste not working on Windows 11. In this video I will show you two methods. I hope it will fix your problem. First, open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Now copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Press Enter. Type exit and press Enter. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, right-click on Start and click on File Explorer. Click on this PC. Open Local Disk C. Open Windows folder. Open System32 folder. Right-click that file and click on Run as Administration. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.